Today, not sure we're gonna go on the ATVs, and they have kid ones. Everyone's gonna go too. Yeah.
Romeo and Nylon.
Yep, Romeo and Nylon are gonna go too. See, they're back there. We're all gonna go. What?
Are they in the start?
Yeah, they're gonna be in the start, and then they drive to the finish. Hey fam, pupunta kami sa isang activity dito sa Boracay, yung mga ATVs. We're gonna try it out. So we're gonna catch a boat. They're gonna take us to the island where they do the ATVs. Oh, here we go. All right, Nitro, you right? Your pants got wet. Uh-oh. There you go, buddy. You're doing it. Very good. Very good. Go, Sean. There you go. Go. All right, we made it. Go and jump on. You right, Brooke? Oh. You made it. Uncle San, you made it. Oh, Nyla May's here. Woohoo! Come on, Nyla. Romeo. Hey, buddy. Next is Nitro. Come on. Come on, buddy. Next is Mummy. And the Allie's here now.
It's wet. You're in your board shoe.
We're all gonna get wet, Brooke. You're gonna get wet, Nyla May. Life jacket, buddy. Put your life jacket on.
Is a life jacket?
It's a life jacket, yeah. Alright, Dodge fam, eto na. Tara na, papunta sa isla. Isla lang yung mga ATV. Ano pa nga ng isla?
Mainland.
Ah, mainland. Sa Caticlan.
Mainland, Caticlan.
Ah, doon pala tayo. Ah, sige, sige.
Napaka-uwi.
Oh, yeah. We're all gonna fall out. Oh! Here, Nitro, we made it! Whoa! We made it.
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
Feel that's here and do it anyway.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Jacket off my shoes.
Sorry, Brooke. We're not doing ATVs anymore. Ano gusto mo, mani? Mani, gusto mo? Akala ko mani. Sabi mo, give me money. Diba? Sabi mo, give me money. Diba mani, gusto mo? Ah, sige. Magkano yung mani?
5 piso lang, sir.
5 peso lang yan?
5.
Totoo?
Opo.
Bakit ang mura?
Ang mura? Gusto mo mahal?
Oo, gusto ko mahal. Char.
Sige, bilhin mo 1,000.
1,000?
Opo.
Everyone see 1,000. Oh. These kids came up to me and said, give me money. So I'm giving them money. Ayan, pwede tayo money. Sige, ma'am. Okay. Lahat na to? Okay na, ma'am. Oo, sige. Sino na yan? Sige.
Salamat po, sir.
Wala nga naman po.
Bless.
Bye-bye. That's why when Filipino kids say, give me money, they really mean money, which is peanuts in Tagalog.
Give me the money.
Ano daw? Ano? Ulitin mo?
Give me the money.
Let's go. What? You wanna wee-wee? Hello. Mag-aaral kayo ng mabuti, hack. We have been driving on this thing for like 30 minutes. Brooke thinks we're being trafficked. Where are we going? We're in the middle of nowhere now. Lampas na sa airport. Where are we going, Nitro? I don't know. Alright fam, andito kami sa ATV adventure. Sobrang kaputik kasi umulan kanina. So, it's gonna be muddy. Very good, Brooke. Ang liit ng helmet mo, pre.
Mas yung isang ulo mas malaki.
Ito na.
Nitro, dirt is good for you, man. Dirt is good for you.
What one do you want?
Hello, man, take your shoes off.
You want a clean one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get a clean one. Haley's got a very clean one.
Hey! Mia,
Brooke
come
and
here.
Nathaniel are getting the other clean ones. Oh, Brooke found a clean one.
Huh?
Alright, looks like we're taking this one, Nitro, nice and clean. Alright, Nitro. Here we go. We're going on ATV. Oh, here we go. Whoa, we're going down the hill, Nitro. Whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, we're going down the hill. Oh. True. You're so dirty now. Oh, look at all the mud on your hands. Oh, yucky. We got so dirty. Did you like it? Was it fun? Or was it scary? Was it scary? Was it scary or fun? Which one? What? Scary? Yeah? You okay? You hate mud? Oh, did he swallow some mud? Oh, you swallowed some mud. Oh, nanunok niya yung putik. You ate the putik. Yeah, you ate the putik. Hey everyone, look at Nitro.
You want to cuddle?
He swallowed some mud too.
Smile, show me your hand.
He swallowed some mud though. It flew in his mouth.
Like a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's alright, it's alright. You just spit it out.
Yeah, spit it out, that's it.
You want some water?
You want water, Nitro? You want some water? Yeah?
Oh, Emily's Rex too.
Oh, how are we?
Look at me.
Oh, how we got
I'm pretty
mins.
clean because I was a grandma.
I spent the first lap waiting for Brooke.
Everyone was like, hurry up!
Yeah, the last lap we smashed it. That's why he looks like that. Oh, Nathaniel got wasted, man.
Oh, good one, Ali.
Shanta finally made it. She finally came back. She survived. Nitro, Nyla, look at me. Oh, look how mighty you guys are. Oh, look at him. Look how mighty he is.
I know.